Lalgudi. It's a really special place in Tamil Nadu. This town, located in the southern part of India, is like a beautiful mix of culture, history and nature. The landscape is dotted with ancient temples, lush green fields and winding rivers that tell stories of a bygone era. Lalgudi is full of old stories, and you can almost hear the sounds of traditional Carnatic music in its streets. The melodies seem to float through the air, blending seamlessly with the everyday sounds of the town. The air smells like sweet jasmine flowers, and the Kaveri River keeps the land healthy and green. The river is the lifeline of the region, nourishing the fields and providing a serene backdrop to the town's daily life. Life moves at a slower pace here, following the natural rhythm of the seasons. People take the time to enjoy the simple pleasures of life, whether it's a leisurely walk through the fields or a quiet moment by the river. The people are as warm and welcoming as a fresh cup of coffee. Their hospitality is legendary, and visitors are often treated like family. Big old temples stand tall next to busy markets, their tops reaching for the sky. These temples are not just places of worship, but also hubs of community life, where people gather for festivals and celebrations. You can hear the temple bells ringing and the priests chanting. These sounds are a constant reminder of the town's rich spiritual heritage. But even with all this old-world charm, Lalgudi has all the modern things you need. From schools and hospitals to shops and restaurants, the town offers a perfect blend of tradition and modernity. Come and experience the magic of India in Lalgudi, where the past and present live together. It's a place where you can step back in time while enjoying the comforts of the present, making it a truly unique destination. Lalgudi is a town filled with the sounds of Carnatic music. It's the hometown of the famous violinist Lalgudi Jayaraman, who made this traditional music known all over the world. His memory lives on in the many music schools around town. Every year there's a music festival to honor him, and the streets come alive with music. But Lalgudi isn't just about music. The town and the area around it are full of history. Ancient temples with their detailed carvings and tall towers have seen empires rise and fall. One amazing example is the Kallanai Dam, built by the Chola kings over 2,000 years ago. It still stands today, showing how smart and forward-thinking they were. The stories of Lalgudi's past aren't just in the buildings, but also in the hearts of its people. History is alive in Lalgudi. The Kaveri River is the heart of Lalgudi. This holy river, important to so many people, flows through the town, giving life to the people and the land. The river banks are busy places with women washing clothes, kids playing in the water, and fishermen catching fish. The Kaveri River makes the land around it bright green with rice paddies and sugarcane fields. Farmers take care of their crops, following the ways of their ancestors, their lives connected to the seasons. A short drive from Lalgudi takes you to the Sitheri Hills, a peaceful and beautiful place. Hiking trails go through thick forests, leading to hidden waterfalls and amazing views. You can hear birds singing, monkeys chattering and leaves rustling. The Sitheri Hills show you the wild beauty of Tamil Nadu. Lalgudi and the area around it are full of old temples, each one showing the region's strong belief in spirituality. These temples are not just structures of stone and mortar, they are living embodiments of the community's faith and devotion. Each temple stands as a testament to the rich cultural and spiritual heritage that has been passed down through generations. These temples are not just places to worship, but also amazing works of art, with tall towers covered in detailed carvings that tell stories from Hindu mythology. The intricate designs and sculptures are a visual feast, capturing the essence of ancient tales and legends. Each carving is a piece of history, meticulously crafted to convey profound spiritual messages and cultural narratives. One such temple is the Rajagopala Swami temple, dedicated to Lord Krishna. This temple is not only a place of worship, but also a center of community life where people gather for various religious and cultural events. The temple's serene environment offers a peaceful retreat for those seeking spiritual solace. This temple, with its large complex and tall tower, is a great example of Dravidian architecture. The towering Gopuram, or entrance tower, is adorned with elaborate sculptures and motifs that are characteristic of this architectural style. The temple's layout and design reflect the advanced engineering and artistic skills of the time. The walls are covered with beautiful carvings showing stories about Krishna's life. These carvings are not just decorative elements, they serve as a medium to educate devotees and visitors about the life and teachings of Lord Krishna. Each scene depicted on the walls is a chapter from Krishna's life, offering insights into his divine play and moral lessons. Another important temple is the Saptarishishwara temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva. This temple is a significant pilgrimage site, attracting devotees from far and wide. The temple's serene ambience and spiritual aura make it a perfect place for meditation and reflection. People believe it's one of the 78 temples built by the early Cholas. The Chola dynasty was known for its patronage of art and architecture, and this temple stands as a testament to their legacy. The temple's design and construction techniques reflect the architectural advancements of the Chola period. The temple's architecture is a mix of different styles, showing the influence of the many kingdoms that ruled the area. This blend of architectural elements creates a unique and harmonious design, reflecting the region's diverse cultural history. The temple serves as a melting pot of artistic traditions, showcasing the evolution of temple architecture over centuries. These temples are not just religious places, but also places for learning and culture. They host various educational and cultural programs, including classical music and dance performances, lectures, and workshops. These activities help preserve and promote the region's rich cultural heritage. They hold many festivals throughout the year, bringing in both worshippers and tourists. These festivals are vibrant celebrations of faith and community, featuring elaborate rituals, processions, and cultural performances. They provide an opportunity for people to come together, celebrate their shared traditions, and strengthen their sense of community. Exploring the Sitheri Hills. A close encounter with nature. Just a short drive from Lalgudi are the Sitheri Hills, a calm and beautiful place. These hills, covered in green forests, offer a cool escape from the hot plains. Hiking trails wind through the thick trees, leading to hidden waterfalls and amazing views. The noisy town is replaced by the sounds of nature, birds singing, monkeys talking, and leaves rustling. The Sitheri Hills are home to many different plants and animals. As you walk through the forests, you might see deer or a peacock showing off its colorful feathers. The hills are also a great place for bird watching, with many kinds of birds living there. The cool spray of the waterfalls feels good in the heat, and the green trees all around create a peaceful feeling. Ancient wonders, the Kalanai Dam. You can't visit Lalgudi without seeing the Kalanai Dam, an amazing piece of engineering that has stood the test of time. This remarkable structure has stood strong for over 2,000 years. Located near Lalgudi, the Kalanai Dam, also called the Grand Anikut, is a testament to the ingenuity and foresight of ancient engineers. Built in the 2nd century AD by the Chola dynasty, this dam is one of the oldest water systems in the world that is still in use today. The Cholas were known for their advanced knowledge in various fields, and the Kalanai Dam is a shining example of their expertise in hydraulic engineering. Made entirely of stone, the dam stands tall across the Kaveri River, a lifeline for the region. The dam's primary purpose was to divert the river's water to the delta region for irrigation, ensuring that the farmlands remained fertile and productive. The size of the dam is incredible, with huge stone blocks carefully put together without the use of modern machinery. The precision and skill required to construct such a massive structure with the tools available at the time are truly awe-inspiring. The dam is more than just a structure. It is a symbol of human ingenuity and our ability to harness nature's resources for the betterment of society. The Kalanai Dam continues to function effectively, providing water to thousands of acres of farmland and supporting the livelihoods of countless farmers. The irrigation system, fed by the dam, has transformed the region into a lush green landscape, making it one of the most fertile areas in the state. The Kalanai Dam is not just a relic of the past, it is a living, breathing example of sustainable engineering. The dam also plays a crucial role in the daily lives of the local villagers, providing them with a reliable source of water for drinking, cooking, and other household needs. It is a vital part of the community, deeply intertwined with the lives of the people who live nearby. The Kalanai Dam stands as a reminder of the region's great past and the lasting impact of the Cholas. It is a monument to their vision, skill, and dedication, and it continues to inspire awe and admiration in all who visit. Beyond Lalgudi, a look at Pudukkottai. While Lalgudi has lots of culture and nature, there's even more to see nearby. Close to Lalgudi is the town of Pudukkottai, which used to be the capital of a kingdom. Pudukkottai is full of history, with reminders of its royal past all around. Grand palaces with detailed carvings and big courtyards show how rich the kingdom once was. One example is the Pudukkottai Palace, a huge complex that is now a museum showing the history and culture of the area. The town also has many temples, each with its own style and religious meaning. The Thirumayam Fort Temple on top of a hill gives you amazing views of the countryside. Visiting Pudukkottai gives you a peek into the rich history and culture of Tamil Nadu. Lalgudi, where culture meets nature. Lalgudi, a small town in the heart of Tamil Nadu, is a place where culture and nature come together to create a wonderful and unforgettable experience. From the beautiful sounds of Carnatic music to the peacefulness of ancient temples, from the bright green rice fields to the waterfalls of the Sithari Hills, Lalgudi has something for everyone. Whether you're looking for a spiritual experience at an old temple or an adventure in nature, Lalgudi has it all. So if you want to get away from the busy city and experience the real India, Lalgudi is waiting for you. Lalgudi is more than just a place to visit, it's an experience, a journey into the heart and soul of Tamil Nadu.